lot of people always say that they want to start a business or a side hustle, but they don't have an idea to begin with. And that's more or less the problem that we tend to solve in my videos, is getting a ton of ideas from really successful brands out there, specifically Shopify brands, but not exclusive to Shopify brands, because I love Shopify. I mean, Shopify is the best website hosting platform out there to start your side hustle or business. And in today's video, we're going to be doing a little case study on Case, a Shopify store that was able to do over $100 million selling phone cases. That's right. If you've ever gone to the mall, there's always those stands out there selling phone cases, right? But Case has actually taken that concept online and really is taking it to the next level. So now, first things first, let's look at the traffic distribution so you can see just how consistent it is. They're consistently driving over 500,000 monthly visitors to their site. And as you see, their phone cases are just really pretty. They got really cool designs. And most importantly, they are very sustainable. That is one of the biggest premises of the brand, is that it's super sustainable phone cases. Now, one thing I want to note quick here, that's some actionable advice for you if you're starting your side hustle or online business, is this offer right here. So this is super powerful. A lot of people neglect trying new offers for their business, and that's actually a really important way to drive a lot of traffic, especially nowadays in times of recessions and things of that nature. People are very much inclined to shop at your store if you're offering some sort of sale or discount. This is a good offer. Buy one, get one free plus free shipping. So that's like two doubles, right? That's a no-brainer deal. If somebody likes one of these cases, they can get two, they can swap out back and forth, and they can get them shipped for free. Pretty awesome deal, right? Now, the landing page is actually super simple, which is one of the things I love most about this so far, because it just goes to show that even a $100 million brand looks more or less like a normal Shopify store. And really, they're just utilizing a lot of influencer promotions here, a lot of influencer posts, some authority figures here, classic stuff. And they even have an affiliate program, which is really powerful. We talk about this sometimes because lately I've been seeing a pattern on some billion-dollar brands and how they really take their community and affiliate program seriously. So a lot of people are able to actually earn full-time incomes through the brand. It's very powerful stuff. But let me read you here just a quick glimpse of a full article on this brand. They've done a lot of research on this as well. So let me just briefly talk about this, because here's the problem that they're solving. And that's one of the most foundational things when it comes to building a business, right? Is trying to think of a problem to solve, even if seemingly small. So for this, there's a lot of talk about smartphones, but the smartphone accessory industry, which sells 1 billion plus phone cases a year, is equally impressive. While the market is massive, it's also an environmental disaster. Most of those cases are made of plastics, which break down and end up polluting our oceans. Enter Case, the world's first 100% compostable, eco-friendly iPhone and Android case. So they're a Canada-based brand. They've grown very rapidly, got 100 million plus valuation. And what's interesting is that the company that created this brand actually has an umbrella of e-commerce companies, which is a very intriguing business structure in my opinion. They sell other sustainable products, for example, this sustainable deodorant, which is pretty awesome, right? Now, let's take a look at some of their ads and also their landing pages, because we want to see just how people are able to make high converting websites out of something simple like this. Now, another thing that I want to note real quick that I learned about is that they're actually getting into print on demand. So now they're actually able to print different things onto each one of these cases on demand. So pretty cool. That's going to take them to the next level, especially if they can now start doing that. But for, let's say, creators, right? They can start doing it in the back end for creators and start developing a business to business arm to the business. Pretty cool stuff. And as you see, they are not cheap cases. Like $69 is a ridiculous price point for an iPhone case, but people really like it because it's sustainable. So that's kind of the thing. And as you see, they're using some classic scarcity tactics. This is actually very clean, almost gone, less than 27 remaining. Super, super clean. And again, I doubt they're getting these for anywhere like more than $10, right? There's no way that these cost so much to make, but they're very expensive because they are fully sustainable. And that's just a really cool thing to note. But on the landing page, you can see the classic structure that we follow, at least at our company when we build our own internal brands. This is exactly the template that we follow. We actually sell this template as well to make it easy for people wanting to start their business or side hustle on Shopify. But basically, it's just highlighting a bunch of benefits, overcoming objections, and then adding some trust through simple reviews. It's, again, super, super simple. Their social media is super clean. They get a pretty decent amount of engagement, and they have a really great brand identity nailed down. As you see, they're making random posts as well. So like spread love, not plastic. They're posting things that are not always related to the case, right? Or it's related to the brand, but they're not showcasing the actual product necessarily. And this is a great idea for building up your social medias. Think of your brand image, and then if you find pictures online that reflect that, post them on your feed. And you can actually curate a really nice looking feed that will make your brand look really high quality and also reflect the brand values that you're going for by doing that. So it's a pretty easy hack, I would say. Now, here's kind of the craziest part of the business. I wanted to save it for last because it's just insane to me how much these brands are spending on paid media, especially on Meta. They have over 2,400 different ad creative results that they are running. That is ridiculous. Now, not all of these are active, but that's still an insane amount of creatives that they've tested. And they're doing a little bit of everything, right? They're doing some vertical videos. They are doing some carousel ads. They're doing some image ads. They're doing it all. They're doing some UGC product content, some UGC content, some charts here. So I'm guessing their retargeting strategy is pretty robust. They're probably doing a lot of different retargeting, and a lot of these ads are probably catered towards retargeting. But again, it's just crazy to see how many different ads they're testing. I would love to see the behind the scenes of this. Like, what does this look like on the ad account level? But I can see why they're so consistent and successful, right? Because I'm sure they're always finding new creatives that are going to give them a high return on investment. And of course, they're more concerned with lifetime value of their customer, right? I'm sure they're not really concerned about the customer acquisition cost. They're more concerned about, like, okay, let's say we, get a customer for $50, even though that's unprofitable on the front end, this customer will likely spend $200. So in the long term, it will be profitable. And a lot of these companies at this level, that's how they grow, and that's how they push the ball forward, right? Not necessarily by being profitable in the front end. In fact, it's pretty common to see brands at this level being super unprofitable, and it's kind of interesting. I mean, I'm not saying that's the right or wrong way to do it. I have no idea. I'm not at this level yet, but if I had to choose, I would probably like to be profitable, and that's how I'm building my brands. I really don't think there's a right or wrong approach, though. But yeah, I mean, that's really about it for this video. I wanted to showcase this brand and show you that even simple ideas can make it big time. I mean, I don't think it's the most revolutionary thing ever to create a recyclable or a compostable phone case, but it is a problem that they're solving. And also their designs are really cool and people just really love it. So they're doing something right, and there's a lot that you can learn from it and apply to your own business. Or if you haven't started your business yet, hopefully this is some inspiration to just get it moving. Go on Alibaba.com, start browsing products, go on CJ Dropshipping, go on Shopify, create your business. We have an amazing deal in the description for you to do that. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. As always, I'll be live streaming a lot more soon. So yeah, I'm excited to see you guys in there. But that's it. Peace.